Greatly improves taste by filtering up to 3 ppm of dissolved iron. Eliminate metallic taste. Prevent rust stains on sinks, toilets and plumbing fixtures and prevent appliance damage. Whole house filtering on main water line, works great for well water. Fits all 20 big blue housing and can replace any 4.5x20 iron reducing filter. Replace every 3 months for 3 ppm reduction with a family of 4. See image chart for more details. Pentair Pentek RFFE20-BB Big Blue Water Filter, 20-inch, whole house radial flow iron reduction replacement cartridge, 20 by 4.5, white. Greatly improves taste by filtering up to 3 ppm of dissolved iron and eliminates metallic taste. It prevents rust stains on sinks, toilets, and plumbing fixtures and prevents appliance damage. It provides whole house filtering on main water line and works great for well water. It fits all 20 big blue housing and can replace any 4.5x20 iron reducing filter. It can be replaced every 3 months for 3 ppm reduction with a family of 4. Top reviews from the United States. The perfect filter for my crappy water. This filter has changed my life. We live in an area with crappy high iron water. I sometimes have difficulty washing whites because our water leaves iron stains on them. I had a different filter suggested by my water guy, but it just didn't seem to do the job. I installed this Pentek 155263, RFFE20-BB Radial Flow Iron Reduction Cartridge and within minutes my water was clearer and cleaner. I can wash whites without spots, and the handmade soaps we use no longer leave sticky soap scum on the tubs and sinks. I have finally gotten rid of the yellow stains left on the fiberglass tub. When I fill up the tub, the water no longer has a yellow tinge. It's a bit expensive, but then so are clothes. This filter is the absolute best for my high iron well water.